Good day. Today I'd like to be telling you about Trimble Access survey styles and how to set them up. There are a number of different ways in which you can use Trimble Access, and today I'd like to tell you about using the DA2 with the RTX correction signal coming from the satellite values. So the rover options, we're going to be setting it up like this. We're choosing RTK and the antenna type is DA2. As soon as you choose DA2 from the drop-down menu, you will get this little menu popping up, and then you just choose Trimble Corrections Hub. Our antenna height is 2 meters, which is a standard pole height, and our elevation mask and PDOP we leave as is. Going over into the rover, into the topo points with our rover, we're going to be measuring points like this. I like to auto store after 3 measurements or 3 epochs, and that auto tolerance you can adjust and you can change as needed. Going into observe control point, I also like to choose auto store point. You can increase or decrease the number of measurements as needed. The auto tolerance, I've ticked that off or chosen no, and I actually brought that tolerance down to be a little bit better. Rapid points, same. Continuous points, let's go to stakeout. Stakeout, the only thing I'm changing here is design name, and as stake code is the last code used. Site calibration, constant adjustment. I would avoid inclined plane unless you really understand that, as you can bring in all kinds of weird errors into your survey if you don't understand inclined planes. Duplicate point, I like to leave that at 0 so that I know immediately if there's any sort of differences. And the rest of it I will not cover today. So thank you very much.